Okay guys, this is video unboxing. We buy this from Timonsa, Jakarta Kota. This is premium carpets for footwear. This is the item, so big, under my name. Okay, let's open this. Better open it in here. Let's open this. I don't know from where, but I think better open from the top. Like this, good. Okay, let's open this. Okay, this thing is so big. Yeah. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, this is it. This thing is so big. Okay. I cut here. Let's open it. Okay, good. As we seen on advertisement, it's power mode or mangkok mode. Okay, good. Okay, this have anti-dust proof. This is 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. Must be seed another side. Okay. By the way, where is my okay, like this. Where is my what is it? Broom. Yeah, I ordered this with broom. Where is my broom? Wow, not good, not good. Not good. Where is the broom? Okay, no broom.